Hey guys, what's up? We are at Seminole Hard Rock, Tampa. We are going to try something new today. We are going to play Piggy Pennies. It is an all aboard. I have not played an all aboard yet, so I'm a little excited, but we're going to start small, see how we feel. Might just do 100, might do more, but hoping to get lucky. Thanks. Play this Piggy Pennies. It is an all aboard. This is my first all aboard that I'm ever playing, so I'm gonna just kind of start small. Got $100 in. We'll start at 50 cents, see how things are going, and get a feel for the game and see if we even like it. We are hoping to get lucky. So what I read on the help is that the pigs are wild. We are looking for 6 of those trains to trigger the all aboard feature. I was told by someone in the chat that they wanted to see me try some new games, so they had asked for all aboard, so this is one of the ones I found here, so this is where we're starting. I may try a couple new games today and just put 100 in and see if we can get lucky. Someone else asked for like the food eye bags. I haven't quite found the one I think that they're talking about, so I'm going to keep looking around the Hard Rock and see if I can figure out where that machine might be hiding. We'll get this warmed up, maybe start mixing in some dollars. So far, not a whole lot of action. Yeah, and the 3 silver coins trigger the free game feature. Wilds. There we go. $7 lifetime. Pretty good. Mixed in $1. I'm going to go between $1 and 50 cents per minute. Come on. Oh, 3 more. It's a little deceiving. I like piggy banking and I'm used to the pigs triggering something. Oh, 3 more. So them just being wilds is a little, I gotta get used to that. Come on, 3 more. Oh, do it! Oh. Pennies does not seem to be our friend right now. This may be worse. Come on. Come on. One more. Okay. First bonus. Alright, so like Buffalo, any two will re-trigger. So let's get some re-triggers. A lot of dead spins in there, but still not a bad bonus. One more. Okay. Alright, I did see a train in the middle, so let's see if we can land that. Button too quickly. I'm looking through my camera, so I didn't see we were done. It's like $20-something, I guess. Maybe 30 max. Ooh, lots of piggies. That train bonus. I'm gonna drop in a $2.50 every now and then. Oh, do it. 3 more. Boo. Oh, do it! Oh. That's some wild. more. Let's just try the dime. Is that $2.50? Yeah, we'll do that for a minute. Figure we gotta be due for a train bonus, but I don't know how hard they are to get. Come on! Do it! And some aces. More, choo-choo! Come on, train. What's up with the 2 every time on the line 2? Come on. Do it! Come on! Oh, I'm gonna have to go back down soon. We're gonna run out of money. I want to see the train bonus. Come on! Go, go, go! Do it! Do it! Oh, 5. That's the closest we've gotten. Come on! Go, 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 go! Come on! Choo-choo! Come on, do it, do it, do it, do it! Rude! Choo-choo! Train's coming! Come on! I hear it! Choo-choo! Do it! Do it, do it, do it! Oh my goodness! Come on! Some wilds. Giving us a couple more shots. Do we get a wager saver? Alright, hold on. I'll be right back. I'm going to put in, I don't know that I'm putting in 100. I might put in 50 more and just see if we can't get this trade bonus. I'll be right back. Alright, we put in 50 more. I'm going to go back down with a nickel. And let's see if we can't get these choo-choos to show up. We need a ride. Come on. Do it. Come on. 3 more. Oh my goodness. Do it. Oh, nothing. Went down to Nam. We've seen all those trains. I was getting Come on, 3 more. How hard is it to get the train bonus? Come on! Come on, do it, do it, do it! Rude! Alright, I'm gonna put in $20 more. I'm gonna go down to the penny denom. We're gonna bet $1. See if we can't get. Oh, that was 50 cents, but whatever. Alright. Oh no! I really want to see the bonus. Do it! Choo choo! Choo choo choo! Come on, trains. Do it, do it. Is anyone else a little annoyed by this game? Come on. Oh my goodness. Okay, you know I gotta put in 20 more. You know, what are we at? We're at 150, 67, 80, 90. I think I have a 10 in here. We're gonna make it an even 200. If this machine doesn't give us a bonus, we out of here. Five trains on the last spin. Really? Come on. Come on. Kind of a little feeling snotty towards you, Piggy Pennies. Come on. Give me the trains. Come on, 3 more. I don't know what'll help. Doesn't look like anything. Come on. Alright, that's a lot of wilds at least. $17. Good line hit. Giving us a little more time to try to get this darn bonus. I mean, it's about time. This garbage with 4 and 5 trains enough already. Let me see the bonus. Give me the bonus. Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Come on. Last spin. All right, guys. Well, I can only say we gave it a shot.